No.
All right, it's January 23rd. We're at the Hare family's home. Shingle damage throughout the entire roof. We're finding on all the roof surfaces. But we're going to do a repair attempt here. See the repairability of the existing shingles. We have this damaged shingle here. And it goes. Those are damaged shingles, huh? Course is out. We got one more course. Okay, remove that shingle here. Try popping a new shingle. Let's see what we got here. So, this is the shingle that we removed. These are the shingles that were affected by it. We can see increasing in granular loss, hinging right there. Same thing here. These shingles are damaged. You can see that hinging there. So this roof is non-repairable. In addition to those issues, we've got damaged shingles on the hips. The underlayment on this roof extends into adjacent slopes, and lap drops up by 6 feet, so we have to go 6 feet into adjacent slopes. So repair issues there. slopes affect valley liner, right? This valley, or these shingles are laced under these shingles, so repair issues there as well. And then just throughout the whole roof here, here's a video of the roof. So all those marked in yellow are wind damage shingles on the back slopes. We didn't even bother marking the front slopes because it's pretty obvious how much damage there is. We did show how far the valley liner goes on both sides of the slopes there. An example of how when we do repairs can affect valley liner into the slopes. A lot of hips on this roof. So widespread damage, non-repairable, and in order to restore this roof, we suggest a full replacement.